What up, YouTube? Alright, so it's Friday morning. I didn't expect a lot going on. In fact, there wasn't a lot going on. But I liked Watt. It's been moving. So I took a short in it when it looked like it was not going to hold the VWAP. I got in it, looked like 28 or 29.23, I think, at 150 shares. I wanted to add to my position when it breaks that low level down there. And it gave this really quick spike up, and I got out. One of the rules is, quick spikes like that, you don't get out. But I did. It was just a reaction because it went over my stop, my mental stop, really fast, and then it jerked right back down, as you saw. So that put me down $67. So now I'm waiting for it to pull back up to the VWAP and fail there, and I kind of chase a little bit and add shares there, which was a bad spot because it was basing, I think, a little bit. I actually wind up trading this several times, kind of working my position up. In fact, I was down quite a bit. If I remember correctly on the whole trade, I think 200 and something dollars. This is playing out now. I'm trying to look at the trend line. It looks like it's still trending downward. Just watching it here. I added another 100 shares to average up some. Bad thing is, it wasn't the best spot to do that. I thought it was, but it wasn't. So it keeps running up, and I think I top ticked this candle as well. It got me a little nervous, and I think I covered some shares here shortly. I think I covered half my position in a second. Let this play out for you. I'm running this obviously at fast mode because my trades usually take me anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour, 2 hours. I tend to stay in trades a long time, especially when I get in a bad position. I've been chasing a lot. My FOMO has been ridiculous lately. So okay, so here I just covered, and look at that. It bounced right on that 20 EMA on the 2 minute, and now it's pulling back again. I believe I added, it was breaking down again. I added back shares, so I averaged up some more, and then I'm still trying to basically recover my losses. I'm over $200 down. Still trying to recover. The bad thing is, at the clock, it's 10 o'clock, and I have to be at work at 11. So I'm hoping this trade really hurries up really fast. So I added another 100 shares, which gave me a little bit better average. And when it broke the VWAP, so I'm letting that play out, and it doesn't get to where I want it to go. I actually was probably even or up a little bit, and decided to hold, and it pulled back on me again. And I believe I covered half. It broke over the VWAP, so that made me nervous. If you've ever been caught in a short squeeze, you'll understand why. But so I sold half, and then I think I averaged, I added 200 shares when it broke back under, because I was getting that wicking candle. And then it broke under the VWAP again. And at this point, I literally have to leave in I should have already left, but I can make it to work in about 20 or so minutes. And I went to work, and now you can see, here's the chart when I get to the bathroom. So basically, I go to work. It's been about 30 minutes or so, and yeah, it's 11:25 when I turn on, and I'm freaking out because my P&L was at over $900 unrealized. So I went ahead and took a couple hundred shares off. I think I had 150 to work with. I let this play for a little bit, and it actually starts to tick back up, and I'm gonna fast forward to that spot around the 25.75 areas when I think I get out all my shares. All right, so actually I covered at 25.52. So day goes on, do my thing, and I'm like, we all go to lunch, we come back, and I was like, well, let me check out what it was doing. I had like 30 minutes to chill out, and it had crushed down another $4, I think. It was ridiculous. So I was a little upset that I didn't hold, but it is what it is. I had made almost $1,000 on the trade, and then that was sticking to my head. I was like, I'm so close to $1,000 a day. Let's add some shares. So I added shares, and hindsight's 2020. I turned on my recorder, so I'm up right now, $75, $87, and it's just cruising along, and it's getting late in the day. So it's basically 6 minutes to close. So I was like, you know what? I'm up. Even if I lose $100, I don't care. It was a great day for trading. I don't recommend doing the things I did. I was 85% certain that it was going to continue down based on what the chart was doing when I left for work. Don't recommend doing that at all. I didn't put a hard stop in because every time I do stuff like that, it wicks me out. You should, if you're going to leave your monitor, put a hard stop in, even if you put it way up in the air. So this breaks down under 19, and that's what I was looking for. I'm not sure where I cover actually. I think I cover a portion. Yep, and that gives me a realized gain of over $1,020. Super happy about that. So I'm letting this run as long as I can. And I see a little wicking candle, so I was like, well, maybe it's going to pop back up, and I close it out. So that's the day. And we'll talk to you guys later.